Hello everyone, myself Manu Sharma from Marketing Campus. In today's class, I discuss about the health indicators. Health is defined as the state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease, infirmity. This state has been amplified to include the ability to lead a socially and economically productive life. Health cannot be measured in exact measurable forms. Measurables there are the measurement have been framed in the term of the illness or lack of health, consequences of ill health, morbidity, mortality and economic occupation and domestic factors that promote ill health. Indicators of the health. Indicator also termed as the index or variable is only an indicator of a given situation or a reflection of that situation. Health indicators is a variable susceptible to direct the measurement that reflect the state of health of the person in a community. Indicators help to measure the extent to which the objectives and targets of a program are being attained. Health index is a numerical indication of the health of a given population derived from a specified composite formula. Indicators. WHO defined indicators as variables which measure the change. Uses of indicators of health. Measurement of the health of the community. Description of health of the community. Comparison of the health of different community. Identification of health need and the prioritizing them. Concurrent evolutions and the terminal evaluation of health services, planning and allocation of health resources, measurement of health successes. Next is the characteristic of indicator. Valid. They should actually measure what they are supposed to measure. The answer should be the same if measured by different people in similar circumstances. Sensitive. They should be sensitive to change in situation concerned. Next is specific. They should reflect changes only in the situation concerned. Feasible. They should have the ability to obtain data needed. They should contribute to the understanding of phenomena of interest. Next is the challenges to measure health. Measurement of health is not simple. There is no criteria for measuring health, as happiness health cannot be defined in the measurable terms. Its presence or absence is subjective, matter of judgment, so the measurement of health has been framed in the term of illness, the consequences of ill health, morbidity, mortality. Next is the factors influencing health indicator. Health is a multidimensional. Each dimension is influenced by the numerous factors: economic, occupational, cultural, educational, social. In next class, in today class I discuss about the what are the health indicators and what the uses of indicator of health and also about the characteristic of indicator. Thank you for watching.